Last night, I wrote a song for you. Last night, it was you and me together. Last night, I saw an angel in my dream. Last night, I wrote a song for you. Last night, it was you and me together. Last night, I saw an angel in my dream.
Nana Kushia, you know we have become friends, what I say. And in life, we say so per se, two and a monk when you have to think or reply your questions. Ever since I know me and good time, that's what I say. I've seen a lot of things in you. Trust me. How I always say, I can wear my word, wear me everything. Upon everything that I have, me or Bob don't be I'm being right here, innit?
Are you for real?
Come on, I don't fake or I don't like to impress ladies. That's the least thing I'll ever do.
A nice guy like you, how can you say no be our job?
You see, that's what every lady says. In a man, should I tell you a secret about me? Do you know I'm a virgin? I'm being right here, yeah. I don't do this. It's hardly for me to just propose to a lady, but I don't know what I've seen in you. That's what I say. We are meant to be. Mr. Just let us vibe, let us understand ourselves. Let's date a little bit and you know, for say a big drink na honey because I bread because you're on my
Okay, we can't meet them in dating, but they may be a meeting. They imagine say dating part. That's the doctor say. I'm imagining now. They say I'm a banner of the
Listen, I better than my two akoma. That's what I said. There is no way I met two akoma that because I've seen what I want, and I want you to be my egg of life. I want you to be my mirror. That's what I said. Say the way I'm a shower, me who me my home. Now me smile mirror. That's what I said. So dear, please don't be difficult here. Forget about everything. Let's just move on.
Better music label.
It's Tavenchi.
Last night, I wrote a song for you. Last night, it was you and me together. Last night, I saw an angel in my dream. Last night, you showed me love I never ever seen before. Baby,
what is that?
Oh, they so told you off from about one.
Now you want to be back.
Now, by my only answer, some of friend, huh?
Who is talking here?
And then Diana Casana Silipanaka. What are you trying to tell me? Debbie,
maybe I have to call you again before you give me the opportunity or the chance to.
so say me maybe send a question. No sad question, maybe some. Hey, my main cast in trouble. From today onwards, you don't have the right self walking inside my house. Now, corner, but what has make a trouble? Get this into your score. Me friend Sebraha into 29 in the Emma. What has make a trouble?
Who is talking here?
Shall I send you or say something? What be some was the same way? May you are not say something, you must.
Stand, I mean, I want to make us.
Just so what's up, now we are one. Wow, yeah, then. Impact Papa Bear Pan or the Abama problem.
I said, man, I will catch him. No.
Eh?
Is that what you're telling me?
I mean, they may not be some control.
Stanna,
Again,
of all the promises that we made together,
don't be promises. What you know, not from
of all the help that we helped each other.
Eh?
And then what you know, cut this trash. Me say, maybe I have to call you before you give me the opportunity to come here.
Mommy, got some control. And nothing. I'm able to so sound quite sabro for this rule. And then I'm a catcher. So me friend me fear her in 29 the NCA. What it? Eh? And I'm a catcher crown. What crown me nip? I don't have this thing for us again. I don't have it. Oh, me no one click it.
Oh yeah, you still have the guts to even yell at me.
And then one now old team gumeso, me boy.
So
And then oh mommy attitude. Maybe I have to call you. Wow.
just walk out.
It seems to amaze me.
Just walk out.
But you know what?
You
have chewed more than you can
Oh,
fight.
massa.
Seriously.
It's a bro for now, Becca Trim. Now you have 2-1.
Macacho.
And I've told you, lady, walk out before I do my things, you know. Oh, drop
so it's your flex attitude now. Useless attitude now. The mommy. No problem.
Come on, get out. Get out.
I'm going to
Nonsense.
Wow. Thank you very much.
Huh?
Last night, I wrote a song for you. Last night, it was you and me together. Last night, I saw that.
What do you cry? Come you go channel tell me who I may say that I now cry me to a video. And come be near me.
Yes, sir.
I have got what I'm for.
Why stunner? Why they?
I say, well, when it's here, buy a room, I'll be a Mrs. Stanner, then you really have happened now. But Nancy, mammy attitude be a mentee as
Stunner.
Stand on American was my friend on fire, me testing now. A bit matter keep blooms one reply me. Go coffee, no, he's a no kiss. It's your work at your idea when you want to means a big address. I don't know. I mean, I made out to say, beer when your new girl be on the crowd.
Ah, that will make us.
I said, when
your new girl says it. Now to your bath. M11 because I don't know.
And I'm a mama say, like, I'm not being myself. I say, anytime, be maybe like, maybe I say, no, my head is dead.
Only who be sad. And I think so. No one can't be answering. Say you are for fire or bar for fun of the design. You didn't have a yaman and a becker.
So they are down
to be a mechatcher.
I have a pound. As I won't want me to meet me a catcher and make you look and tell us. To be still, one of them has a ready. Maybe I'm a call, but I'm but myself, what about you? Indeed, I am
from a man of a castle. Did you see your best?
Okay,
why?
Last night, I wrote a song for you. Last night, it was you and me together. Last night, I saw an angel in my dream. Last night, you showed me love I never ever seen before. Baby, last night on day, last night is baby, last night on fire, baby,
shut it down. Jumano, she employed me. That was the
there be any kind of alcohol because say what about Hanum day after all. What about the petrol? Okay, I feel like born.
Job. Before you tell her winning me who I know the seat up. My baby no be liar. See the way I was see me women. No last night my testimony make brother man for camp talk. I go. She be too skillful as a Ronaldo. Baby give me food delicious. No be house of cocoa. Me sonny more electrocution. Or cheme sako so mo nyanya. Almost I lost my life. She is the devil. To my 20 day my think kwa. O boom pa my think o free me charm me tender. Inspector Bejegwa. Woo. Netflix and chill. She be my lover. Last night we made a history. No one can you wanna shut it down.
No need to have a bye. At the crime by a young cassa, then out there girl, then out there. Maddie, then out there girl, there's no catch a girl.
Are there some men on no catch you?
Tell me the wow buyer, and I stand as on pay me being whom you are not to tell who says and send me brave. I don't know so best. Stana or Bapewa, penny B. Your men in the best I didn't know. Obayi na come so me the mao kwa I was so sumi and so me I said like there be no complaining sir thought I'm a crown my basa then I again sir
H, you can force the horse to the riverside but you can't force it to take the water. That's what I say. Eye me na ma de no. Ana me say anamona minini tu no. Me hu say emwa me bio. So emwa me bio na me ma take decision. What are you trying to tell me here?
Stunner.
Uh-huh.
I forget.
It's not about my fat girl. You know me of all people. Send me my fat girl for I'm not the kind of guy I'm cheating. That was then.
Why are they?
This is the situation now. I don't feel anything for her again. So what I say. In life, we meet for a purpose. Every year, no purpose, no meeting. Or no, accomplishing the way. So what I say, me so accomplishing the way. So separation now, but we should give thanks to God. Huh? I don't feel anything for her again. And me pay the situation whereby so by me in the piano, mine high. Yeah.
Then I want me pese me hu de wazo.
Listen,
just one person in better.
If I should tell you, sir, media me be I'm wrong here, but you see, heart and no connection is no longer there. And no connection in the whole view. So, bro, you have to understand me as a man. Oh yeah, Bema. It's your back or be only na the tibia na where you so be very good. So why don't you understand me now?
Assembly or what? Man go for say be or baby say e also hu how si pel. Oba no person na wotena. Wada dana manatu was say one follow am complete. O ko pe no hwe nsam o ka kire no. Obeka kire me say and I'm say oh madam funu do ku say me can be ma. Nana de obeya say who be jam say quantify then now yes.
And I make a kire no. Charlie, so do you want a situation whereby I say, okay, I don't love her, I'll let her be in my house. Now I'll be pretending to her. If do you like that? You know me of all people, do you like that? Open say, I can do that for you. So open say, I can do that for you. So understand me, say.
Yeah. There's an person me catch her.
Just go, tell her, the ma catch her. We can't stay together. I appreciate everything that she has done for me. I do appreciate it. But let her know, sir, it's no longer there. But hey, I got nothing for her again. Bro, young doggy made the assembly. Let's talk about something else. What I say?
My baby no be liars. Today we will see me women. No last night, my testimony make brother man for camp talk. I go. She be too skillful as a Ronaldo. Baby give me food delicious. No be house of cocoa. Me son him electrocution or tell me sako so mo nyanya. Almost I lost my life. She is the devil. To my 20 day, I think